Solo una pregunta que hacerte. ¿A qué temperatura es que tu cuerpo se prende? Yo quiero tenerte encendida. Dale, quémame y pónteme al día. Encendida. Huéleme que eso me activa. Encendida. Quémame y dame cenizas. Encendida. A mí muérdeme que eso me activa. Tú tienes un talento pa' que el booty se te note por la ropa. Se te nota, se te nota. Yo quiero observarte cuando tú le das pa' abajo y rebota. Te rebota, fan, fan, esa chapa causa un calentón.
What's up, you guys? It's Mandy. I hope you're all doing great. For this dance tutorial, I'm going to break down a dance routine that I choreographed with my friend Mai to Encendia by Dawin. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so we begin with our legs in second and we start on a 5. So we pick up our left arm and we whip, whip, open, cross, hands on the hips. So it goes 5, 6, 7, 8. And we are actually using our hips as well. So we go hip, hip whip, 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 up, down. We're going to continue with those hips. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We circle those hips and our arms actually come over the head, and then we do a deep plie. We go around and our hands are on our legs. So let's try that from the top. Set 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. One more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving on from here, I'll do the feet first. We go cross and jump and. So the first jump is jump, jump, and we crisscross. And then the second jump, we pick our left foot up, and then we actually cross again to turn and wind ourselves around. So now let's do it with the arms. We just came from here. We go arm, arm. So our hands are flexed and they go boom, boom. Then, so we cross, open. From here, we cross, no, actually it's the opposite. So we go boom, 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 boom. Then from here, we cross, and then this right arm helps us turn around. All right, so from that new part, we did 8, we go cross, touch, up, and cross, turn around. Let's do that one more time. We go cross and jump and cross, turn around. All right, let's actually try that from the top and then we'll move on. Good job, guys. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Moving on, we have to come around from here to put our left foot in front, and we do hips, hip, hip, and we go clap, clap. So from that turnaround, it's a pretty quick transition. So we go boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Moving on, we go whip back and then whip forward. So now we're in a plie, our hands are on our legs. From here, from the front, it looks like our foot is going out, out. And we're contracting as well. We're going boom, boom. All right, so we go, well, actually not contracting, but we're coming from a contraction to go down, down. So it goes contract, release, contract, release. All right, so we just did cross, turn, around, clap, clap, whip, down, and boom, and bam. From here, we pick up this foot and we just do a salsa, a little salsa step. We go ball, change, second. We'll actually step back to second. And then when we are here, our focus is down, and then we come up to go pop, pop. All right, so from that cross, turn, around, clap, clap, whip, down, and release, and salsa, 6, and our hands are back on our hips. We go 3, 4, we do a plie, our arm comes up to touch and snap. So we go 3, 4, 5, 6, and, so we go touch, touch, we do a step, step, step. And on that step, 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 this arm is coming up. So we just did plie and touch, touch, step, step, step. From here, we pick that foot up and our hands come over our head, right? Okay, so we just did from the new part. So we go hip, hip, bend, snap, and 7, 8. From here, this foot is picked up, so we're gonna do touch, and cross, back, front. Let's go from the new part. So we go 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and, oh my God. So the next part is actually 1, and 2, and 3, and we go 4, and it's a hip, hip. So we go down, snap, and 4, touch, touch, and hit, hit. The next part is the easiest part. We just go slide, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's go from the crisscross, okay? So we go, and touch, jump, turn around, clap, clap, boom, boom, and salsa, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, my hair, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, new part, 3, and hip, hip, our hands are boom, bam, we slide it out, 7, 8, on that and count, we go boom, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. From here, so this is like a little salsa pose. This arm is up and bent at the elbow, and this arm is here and is bent at the elbow as well. So we go 7, 8, and we go hit. And we do 2 more hip rolls and our hands come around, around. So we go hit, around, around, we open left, right, we pop, pop, pop. So from the side it looks like, and boom, boom. So we go pop, pop, whip around. From here, we're almost there, good job. We go back snake. So this arm is actually helping our body whip back. It's from here, it's my little trademark move I like to call it. We step in second, we whip our hair around. Then we do step back, we do body roll on that step back. And then we jump second to the back. Second, we hit those hips, boom, boom, 8, and. So a little quicker so you can kind of see what it looks like. We just did from here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, step. Pop, pop, whip around, snake. And whip that hair around. We go body roll, second, pop, pop, throw, drop. We go over that little ending move. So we're in a plie. We pop the booty. We're still sitting in this hip to go throw. And then when we drop our hand, we put our weight on that foot and we're like walking off. So we go boom, 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys. Let's go from here one more time and then we'll do it from the top. So we go 8 and. So this is 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, step, pop, pop, whip around, snake. And with that hair around, we go body roll, pop, 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 throw, drop. Good job, guys. That's all the choreography. So let's go from the top a little slow before you try it with music. All right, so from here, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whip around. We go pop and cross, turn around. Clap, clap, whip, drop. And release, contract, salsa step. 3, around. Step, snap, and step, step, step. Touch, touch, step, step. Hip, hip, slide it out. 7, 8, and pop. Around, around. Step, step. Pop, pop, around, and whip. And around. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. All right, you guys are gonna do it one more time and pick up the pace a little bit. Good job. All right, let's go. Feet in second, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 3, 4, around, around, cross, jump, cross, turn around, tap, tap, whip back, release, and salsa step. 7, 8, hit, hit, pop, pop, around, around, step, snap, step, and step, touch, touch, step, step, hip, hip, and slide it out. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pop, pop, whip around, wait, and around. We back it up, 7 and 8, and drop. Woo! Good job, you guys. All right, so that is all the choreography, and now you're ready to try with the music.
Qué temperatura que tu cuerpo se prende. Yo quiero tenerte encendida. Dale, quémame y pónteme al día. Encendida. Huéleme que eso me activa. Encendida. Quémame y llame cenizas. Encendida. Mami, muérdeme que eso me activa. Tú tienes un talento pa' que el booty se te note por la ropa. Se te nota, se te nota. Yo quiero observarte cuando tú le das pa' abajo y rebota. Te rebota, pan, pan, esa chapa causa un calentón.
Thank you so much for watching and great job. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Click the bell notification if you want to be notified whenever I post any of my videos. Thank you again.